What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our January 2021 Sub 250 box. It is the first one of the new year, and if you're unsure what exactly this box is, it is a subscription box for like 3-inch and smaller size drones that eventually over about a 6 months period you should be able to build yourself a nice little 3-inch. So every month it's about $40-50 bucks, and with shipping and everything, and you should be able to get yourself a little built quadcopter in no time. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this box and see exactly what we got inside. If you do look down below in the video description, I do have a link to these boxes down below if you want to check them out. It is an affiliate link. It does help support the channel, help support me. So if you want to go ahead and use that, go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Alright, it's a little thank you card. Got some stickers. My other ride is a long range. V-Locks. Cool. And then we got a little 10% off code on a QAVS mini frame. That was the frame we got in last month's box. Did a whole build video actually on our last build. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a video to that down in the video description if you want to check it out. Then we have some props here. We got some Cinemoop Clear Gray T76 props here. Alright, so it looks like we're probably going to be getting ready to build a Cinemoop, is what my guess is, because we've gotten some Cinemoop kind of stuff now. So now we got some more props, and I am assuming... Alright, so these are some motors. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Focus. Alright, so we got some 1507, 2700... kV motors. I'm going to unbox one here in a second and check them out. So these will be probably used on 6S. So if you guys wouldn't normally use probably a Cinemoop on 6S, they I think did send us a letter that explained if you wanted to go ahead and get the other type of motors, go ahead and use a link that you get 50% off the motors you want if it's the wrong KV rating. So I guess that is kind of in there. I guess they said they got some really good deal on these motors, so they couldn't pass it up. But let's go ahead and unbox this motor and see what it looks like without ripping it open. Take it out of the package. Alright, so yeah, they're little T motors, 1507. They're pretty nice. Nice and sparkly there. Yeah. Cool. So that was pretty much this month's box. I'll be leaving links to the FPV subscription boxes down below if you want to check them out, along with the playlist. But this is Viper FPV, and this was the January 2021 Sub 250 from FPVCRATE unboxing. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video.